Ever wonder how AI can keep learning new things without forgetting what it already knows? Imagine a robot that first learns to drive a car, then later masters medical diagnostics, without losing its ability to read road signs. This is the challenge of continual learning in AI, and today we're exploring a groundbreaking approach called MLLM-CL. So what's a Multimodal Large Language Model, MLLM? Think of it as an AI that doesn't just process text. It interprets images, analyzes videos, and even solves complex math problems. But here's the problem. When these models learn something new, they often forget older skills. It's like a student who masters calculus, but then can't recall basic arithmetic. That's where continual learning comes in. The goal is to build AI that adapts to new tasks over time, like a lifelong learner. But existing methods, they struggle. Some models overwrite old knowledge when learning new tasks, while others can't handle diverse domains, like switching from medical imaging to autonomous driving. Enter MLLM-CL, a research framework that tackles this head-on. It introduces a benchmark, a rigorous testing ground, for evaluating how well AI models retain knowledge while learning. This benchmark has two pillars. 1. Domain Continual Learning, DCL, teaching models to handle specialized fields like medical diagnostics or self-driving while preserving prior skills. 2. Ability Continual Learning, ACL, enhancing core competencies such as OCR or mathematical reasoning, even when data formats change drastically. The researchers tested their approach with real-world scenarios. For instance, an AI might first learn to interpret satellite imagery, remote sensing, then transition to medical scans without losing its ability to read road signs. They also ensured the model could handle tasks like math problems or GUI interactions, even with unstructured data. Their secret weapon, a technique called MR-LoRA. Think of it as a traffic system for AI. When the model faces a new task, it routes the right set of parameters to handle it, avoiding catastrophic forgetting. By isolating specific skills, like a surgeon's precision or a mathematician's logic, the model stays sharp across domains. The results? MLLM-CL significantly outperformed existing methods. It's like giving AI a superpower, the ability to learn continuously without sacrificing what it already knows. But here's the twist, this isn't just about theory. The researchers also created StockQA, a dataset that turns complex stock charts and Chinese captions into questions. Why stock market data? Because it's rich with visual patterns and real-world complexity. Imagine training an AI to analyze stock trends, answering questions like, will this company's stock rise after a product launch? Here's the clever part, they didn't just generate questions. They used an inspector AI to flag errors, balanced answer choices to avoid bias, and clean the data thoroughly. The result? A dataset with 70,000 questions, perfect for training AI to think critically about finance and beyond. Experiments showed MR-LoRA outperformed older methods, especially in tasks like medical analysis or financial forecasting. One model scored nearly 92% on stock-related questions, almost perfect. But this isn't just about numbers. This approach could revolutionize AI in healthcare, education, and even self-driving cars, where adaptability is critical. Of course, no research is flawless. The team only tested models with 7-9 billion parameters, so larger models might achieve even better results. And since the dataset was generated by another AI, there's a risk of biases or errors. But these are hurdles, not roadblocks, proof that science is a work in progress. So what's next? With tools like MLLM-CL and datasets like StockQA, we're building AI that learns like humans, growing smarter without losing its way. Whether it's diagnosing diseases, analyzing markets, or helping students, the future is about machines that adapt, evolve, and earn our trust. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into any of these topics, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments. Stay curious, because the next big breakthrough is just around the corner.